Hi and welcome to MKW Driving School YouTube channel. So we're back again with a new video. So now this time the video we have is about Leeds Harehill new driving test center, which is shifting to Colton more likely in April. So anybody who's driving for Leeds Harehill driving test center and preparing for April, March, June, these kind of dates, so it's better start practicing in the Colton area more. Colton and Holton, Crossgate, these area you should be traveling more. Colton, Holton, Thorpe Park. So we are standing in one of the retail park called Finch Drive. That is called Colton Industrial Area, or they got Sainsbury, McDonald's. So it's behind it. So I'm taking you out of this area now, and I'm going to show you some little bit in and outs, and that's what you're going to use it. And I will give you the full test routes soon after one by one. New Harehill Colton test routes. So these are the one of that area we're going to do it now. So that is one of the business park. So we're using the business park. So they're going to moving one of the unit from here. So that is where you just starting at the business park, keeping 10 mile speed, and then look for the other cars coming out of the offices. And that's, you got little bit housing estate which is dead end. So then you're taking a left turning into the main street over here, and then after that we're getting into another situation where we're gonna get a mini roundabout. So you have to deal with the roundabouts in this test center at the start of the test. So you're facing the first mini roundabout, and we are taking a left turning first exit. So we're taking the left turning first exit. So people on the right go first. So simply first mini roundabout you have to face, everybody have to face this mini roundabout, and then you have to face this roundabout, and we're taking the right turning third exit. So going towards the Sainsbury McDonald, not too busy roundabout, so not to worry about these two ones, but these two roundabouts you have to deal. So follow the sign for Leeds. Now this is where you're going to start your situation. Now there's a one shortcut they can take, the first street on the left right now, or they can go straight to the large roundabout. So this street on the left can take some meeting traffic sign situations and got some mini roundabout as well, and join the Selby Road going towards the Crossgate. So this is your large roundabout controlled by the traffic light. You have to face this large roundabout controlled by the traffic light. Now this is the retail park on the left, got Sainsbury, Costa Car Park. So there's a good chances they maybe take you towards this Costa Car Park, Sainsbury Car Park, and do your bay parking, reverse bay parking, forward bay parking on this car park. Very busy. Or they can take you back to the old style on Holton, where they can do the Lidl car park and Matalan car park. So these are the three common car parks here. If you go a bit straight from here, then you got new Thorpe Shopping Center. So they can go to the Thorpe Shopping Center as well and do the car parking in Thorpe Shopping Center as well. So we're going left, follow the sign for Crossgate and Holton, and then you do a proper mirror signal going left. This is a 30-mile road, and now you're going towards the 40-mile speed limit road. So it's a control by the traffic light roundabout. So when the light green, you simply go and turn left. And the road you're going now is dual carriage 40-mile/hour speed. This will take you towards the Crossgate and Holton. According to the old test routes, you're already coming towards Colton, Holton and Crossgate, but they don't come all the way up till to this roundabout. Now I'm going backward towards the Holton, and then I can go towards the Crossgate, and then you will go back to the Crossgate station. So when I go back towards the Crossgate station or going towards the Holton and Colton, that start becoming the old routes. So nothing is changing much. Only this side, this loop to start and to finish. These things you have to learn. So that is the Colton area on the left. So that is the street, go back to the left, and if you go to straight and go to the roundabout, then you again have the Colton exit, first exit, second exit, Holton exit, third exit, Crossgate. So we're taking the third exit on the right, Crossgate. So first I'm going to change the lane, which will be the main challenge for the student on this road. Do the lane change. So you can see the sign Crossgate. So if you're going Crossgate, you have to come to the right side lane, Crossgate. Then is the third exit on the right. So then you go for right side mirror checks, right side signal, keeping yourself in the right lane, and then watch the traffic coming from your right. This is not controlled by the light, so you have to do everything. Then when it's clear, look Crossgate written on the floor. That is number 1 exit on the left, Colton Village. That number 2, Holton, Temple, and then moving left, mirror signal left, and going city center, A64, Crossgate. And now if you remember, as our old test routes, you used to come from Holton side, Temple Museum side, come towards the Crossgate, and then you have to go all the way to the Crossgate test center, or you go towards the Colton, Holton, Crossgate station. This is a 40-mile road. You was on 40-mile road. It is still a 40-mile road. There is a road work going on, so we have to drive less than 40 this time. So we're going straight ahead. That is towards the Crossgate station and Crossgate shopping center. So they can take you one of the street on the left, and that is a shortcut to go to Lidl car park and Metland car park. But we're going to stay this time on the main road. So lines are splitting into 2 lanes. 30-mile speed is coming up soon. Traffic control light so far for the road work, but again by the time you're coming for your real test, maybe things are not here, so things can be different by that time. So this street on the left can be a 20-mile-per-hour street. They used to use these streets to come out as well. Now when you go straight, you will see the Seacroft roundabout, one of the common roundabout we used to do in the old test center routes as well, Seacroft roundabout. So when you go Seacroft roundabout, you have 2 options. Maybe they take you to the left side of the roundabout, city center, and then straight to the Burger King roundabout, or they take you straight to the Seacroft roundabout, which is controlled by the light from this side, and you can use the left lane to go straight, or you can use the right lane to go straight. That will be your choice. Some people like to use the right lane because they can leave from the right lane after that, and some people like to use the left lane and they change the lane later. So totally your choice. So these are the boards on the right going Seacroft, but I'm just taking the old route style, so I'm going left side to the city center. First exit, and roundabout is controlled by the light. So we're going left mirror check, left signal, lights are green for me still, so I'm keep moving. There's no police ambulance on my right, so keep moving and keeping left signal on, city center, A64. Then you get the bus lane. 7:30 to 9:30 is the time, Monday to Friday. If the time allow you, you should be driving on the left lane. If the time don't allow you, you keep the car on the right hand lane. And this road goes straight to the Burger King. After the Burger King, they can take you back to the right, taking back to the York Road, or they can say you to go straight ahead to the Burger King street, or they maybe say you take the left turning to the city center, and later on they can go back to the Temple Road, back to the Holton Road, and that time they can bring you back to the Temple side, and from Temple side they can bring you back to the Colton side, and that is how they can finish your test route. So see, like now somebody's undertaking me on the left, but he's allowed to use it. He's a taxi and buses are allowed to use the bus lane. Even we are also allowed to use the bus lane, but this bus lane is a short timing bus lane. After a little time the bus lane becomes 24/7, and because of 24/7 bus lane, then you don't have to drive on the left side, so you again have to come back. So some people like to stay on the right already, so which is okay, but you have to keep looking on the left who's undertaking you. There's a funeral car on the front, that's why everybody's driving slow this time, so that can be the scenario some places. So the signboards are coming up. They might take you right to the York, they might take you left to the city center, they might take you go straight to the Burger King. So we're going left side, city center. Lines are splitting into two, so keep to the left lane is the best option. And again, these junctions are controlled by the light. If you treat this junction more like a roundabout, then it becomes so easy for you. Even the sat nav say go left of the roundabout, first exit, but it does not look like a roundabout. It's controlled by the control light roundabout, looks like a junction. So go left, simply left mirror signal and go left. If you need to go straight, keep in the right lane. If you need to go right, keep in the right lane. There are proper clear arrows on the floor, so you just have to follow these arrows. So that is how you come to the York Road A64, which used to be your old style road, so nothing new. Now I'm just gonna change my lane safely when it's safe, so I can overtake the different lane. The traffic is driving slow over here this time, so that's your A64 York Road. It will go all the way down, passing the Asda, McDonald, and then after that there is a turning called left turning towards the Whitkirk, Temple and Holton, and that can be the way you going backward. When you go backward, then they have a lot of street they can use, like an old stop sign, Temple sign, Temple Museum signs, and then you can just follow from there as well. So that's a 40-mile road. The things are clear. You just drive up till 40-mile speed, and then you start get ready for the traffic light and slow down for the traffic light. So this is as down the ride I was talking about, but normally they don't go in this big car park for your maneuver. So hopefully old style Lidl, Matlan, and now Sainsbury, Top Park Shopping Center, these are the common close by car parks for you maneuver. Forward bay parking, the reverse bay parking. But again, these routes are not starting unless they are not announcing it properly. But if anybody have a plan to do the test after spring, so more likely it's better to start driving on these kind of routes as well, and then it will be better that whenever they send you the email about the new test center, new address of the new test center, then at least you know where I'm going, how I need to do this, and you as a PTI, as a ADI, if you start teaching the students, please add these routes in your next practice, so whenever the test routes change, at least they're half ready. And for the students, try to tell your instructors about this and tell them to take you there, so you guys know in case you can't do your test on a time, and when they change the test routes or they change the test center, then you know all the in and out, how to go in, how to come out. So that is important as well. So now the signs coming on the left, we say Whitkirk, Holton, Temple Museum, and City Center is straight. I'm going straight, but this is where you normally go. So I'm closing my video right now here, and after that this is just a hint. I will come again with the new videos where I exactly start from the test center when they officially announce the date to start the first test from their new location. Then I will give you one route, two routes, or at least 4 or 5 routes starting and ending in the same 35 to 40 minutes time, and that way you will be more full idea how you start and finish from the Colton Leeds new test center for the Harehill. So till then, thank you so much for watching my video, and see you soon again with another video with new information. Thank you. Goodbye.